When I thought about what I wanted my senior program to be, I knew that I wanted to focus on the removal of invasive buckthorn. Buckthorn is a plant that is native to Europe, but has really invaded much of Minnesota. So for my project, I wanted to take a section of buckthorn, which is near my house. This is right on Cedar Lake in Minneapolis, and transform it from something that was infested with buckthorn to what would be considered a clean slate, so that over the next coming years, we can continue to reintroduce native species. So how we remove it is, first of all, I cut the stems at roughly 3 feet. That's what you're seeing here. And then from there, we dig the stumps out. And then after that comes replanting. So where I'm clearing this is Cedar Lake Park, which is a private public partnership. And essentially it is all volunteer run and maintained. And it's, as you can see, a very heavily trafficked walking path. So removing this buckthorn will make a huge impact on this trail, as it really helps to open up the lake and really helps to, bring new energy to this area. So I first got into buckthorn removal last May, at the height of the pandemic. I knew that I was inside all the time and really just wanted something to do. And as I live right on the other side of Cedar Lake, it was easy for me to get into it. And then, throughout the summer, I continued doing it. And then I knew that this is what I wanted to focus on. And just being able to see the progress happen, and really happen fairly quickly, is just amazing to me. So what you're seeing here is, now once everything was cut, I started removing all the stumps. So this happens with a shovel. You essentially cut around the roots, and then you take out the entire plant. Now, the reason we do it like this is because often companies will use chemicals, such as Roundup, but because it's on the lake, we cannot use that. So instead, when the stumps are too big, we use baggies, which essentially block all the sunlight. So this helps, just as as there's some that are rocky. You can see the soil here is rocky, so it makes it easier in this case. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the final product after 2 weeks. It ended up being a huge transformation. It really opened up the lake, and I could just tell that over the next few years, this is going to really become a great area with native grasses and shrubs and sedges. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this continues to evolve. And I was really proud of the work that me, along with some other volunteers, did in this area over this time. And yeah, thank you.